Sometime last year, I told you about Kaima Cosmetics, who were the first multichrome brand that I bought, multichrome indie brand made in the UK. And I had bought 4 of their multichromes. Those came in little pots like this. At the time, they only had loose multichromes and duochrome eyeshadows. And I absolutely loved them. My first experience with multichromes. Since then, I bought 2 other brands of multichromes, both of which I've reviewed. And then I started buying slowly more multichromes. These I bought earlier in 2020, but yeah, there was no time to review with all the 2020 videos, that holiday videos that had to be done. So there are 6 pressed multichromes. What are these? These are pressed multichromes, yeah? Not loose multichromes. Nothing falls out, thankfully. Yeah, so they have 6 pressed multichromes, which come in a bundle at £55, so that is less than £10 per eyeshadow. Multichrome pressed eyeshadow, not bad at all. The only problem, of course, is that they're sold out at the time of recording this video, but yeah, keep looking. I'm pretty sure that she will bring them back into stock. The thing about Kaima Cosmetics is that they have stock changes so fast, it makes my head spin, for an indie brand. Maybe that is why, because they are an indie brand. For the record, Kaima Cosmetics is run by a girl named Gemma, and Kaima is actually her son Kai, and Gemma Ma. Yeah, that's sort of an amalgamation of their names. So these 6 are Oceania, Burlesque, Tranquility, Poison Ivy, Flamethrower, and Fantasy. So those are the 6 shades here, and the shift is, I don't know, beyond amazing. I am wearing a Burlesque right now, and you can see that multichrome shift from over there, can't you? It's just a single eyeshadow that I'm wearing. Formula-wise, pressed multichromes, these apply better with a very tightly packed, flat shader brush, such as this one, rather than, fluffy brush. Yeah, the thicker and more rigid, more densely packed your brush, the better it works for these. You can also use your fingertips, no brush needed, to get a very foil-like finish. They pop even without a primer. I always use eye primer, but any regular eye primer will do. It doesn't have to be something like one of those, specialized multi-chrome potions or glitter glues for this to work. Any old primer, even your face primer, no primer will do. The color pops, no problem. Wear time brilliant, no creasing, oily eyelids here people, no creasing, a full day staying power until I take it off. Eventually though, once you use this, you get color here on the edge of the pans, which is only to be expected. I mean, I'm being very nitpicky in case you haven't noticed. So yeah, I'm going to show you the eye makeup looks that I've done with these. Off we go with Burlesque. Next comes Flamethrower. And now let's get that poison ivy out of the way. You know, it's kind of in your face green, not at all up my comfort zone. And now we have Tranquility. The next one is Fantasy. Yeah, so as I told you, formula right up there. Now let's quickly swatch these, yeah? This one is Poison Ivy. This one is Tranquility. This is Oceania. This is Fantasy. This is Burlesque. And that shift is from pink to burgundy to green. Yeah, can you see the green? Yeah. And then it moves from burgundy to pink. And you can also see that shift in the pan. Now it looks quite green. Both the pan and the swatch look quite green. And then here, both look burgundy. See that? This one is Flamethrower. And it goes from fuchsia to purple. And then bronze to gold. Greenish bronze to gold. See the shift? And yeah, that's fuchsia in the pan right now, and then it moves. Yeah, see that greenish bronze over there in the pan? That reflects in the swatch as well. I've got all in a row there, as you can see, so that you can notice that massive, massive, massive multichromal shift. You see that? Incredible in it. Oh my God, I'm addicted to this. I could watch this all day. So I've got Poison Ivy, Tranquility, Oceania, Fantasy, Burlesque, and Flamethrower over here. Poison Ivy, Tranquility, Oceania, Fantasy, Burlesque, and Flamethrower over here. That is incredible shift, and I'm so impressed by how low the prices are. The moment, I mean, this bundle sold out 3 times before I was able to buy it. So the moment it comes back in stock, just buy. Now they have duochromes as well as multichrome flakes. I have a multichrome flake from flaky from Kaima somewhere, but it was too flaky that it looked scary to me. And you know, I was so scared of getting all those flakes all over the place, you know, and ending up with a multichromal flaky moustache in a virulent purple that shifted to an even more virulent green. So I haven't bothered using that multichromal flaky. One day though you will see it in an eye makeup look, and then I'll tell you that it was a multichromal flaky. Yeah, all the things look like flakes, you know, not powder. They also have these diamond duochrome glitters in a palette, which I badly want to buy, but I am on a no-buy right now. Once my no-buy is over, I will definitely buy it. I do have other multichrome eyeshadow posts coming shortly because I did buy a ton of multichromes for, not a ton, about 3 brands for Black Friday. So stay tuned for this. So what are your thoughts on these? Don't you agree that the multichromal shift is amazing? And the best part is that you only need one eyeshadow for a whole look. Lots and lots of depth and dimension right there without, you know, struggling through your halo color and crease color and inner corner color and highlighting and nonsense. You know, just the one eyeshadow and you're out of there. Brilliant. So this is why I'm addicted to multichromes, and there is so much pop going on, you know, that the colors really pop. At the same time, they're not virulent, visible from the moon with your naked eye-ness, you know, they're not making me uncomfortable either. And I feel that on videos and as well as on Zoom and things. These are wonderful. I don't know how office appropriate they are. I have discovered a kind of more neutral multichrome. Stay tuned for that next time. So do tell me your thoughts on multichromes. Have you tried them? Would you like to try multichromes? Which will be the first multichrome that you try? Would you prefer liquid multichromes or powder or pressed powder or loose ones? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.